We'll practice expressing fractions as unit fractions using a measuring set. Here's the problem. A measuring set uses only 1/8 cup scoops. Express 5/8 cup flour, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup milk as a number of scoops, and find the total in cups. First, express 5/8 cup flour as scoops. 5/8 equals 5 times 1/8, so that's 5 scoops. So 5/8 cup flour is 5 scoops. Next, express 3/4 cup sugar as scoops. 3/4 equals 6/8, which is 6 times 1/8, so that's 6 scoops. So 3/4 cup sugar is 6 scoops. Now, express 1/2 cup milk as scoops. 1/2 equals 4/8, which is 4 times 1/8, so that's 4 scoops. So 1/2 cup milk is 4 scoops. Now find the total number of scoops and convert to cups. 5 plus 6 plus 4 equals 15 scoops. 15 scoops equals 15/8 cups, which simplifies to 1 7/8 cups. To express a fraction as a unit fraction, rewrite it with the unit fraction denominator, then the numerator tells you the number of scoops.